Hey friends, so today we are going to look at how to make nice and tasty masala bread which can be used as starters. So now let's get started. Now, once we are done with the steps mentioned in the previous picture, we come to the next step of adding a pinch of turmeric powder, a half spoon of chili powder, some chili flakes, and 4 tomatoes that are to be finely chopped. Now, one important thing that you have to remember throughout the cooking and making of this dish is that you have to keep it in medium flame at all times. Now, the next step is to chop finely a whole capsicum, and you can also add how much ever ghee you want. It only does nothing but soothe your stomach. Ghee or butter, it's your choice. Now, it's time for inviting the VIPs, the spices. For some good flavor, it is a must that we should add basil leaves, oregano, chili flakes, and tomato sauce. Here, I am using chili tomato sauce because it tastes much better than sauce made only from tomatoes. Now, you have to take a few slices of bread, which could be around 8 to 10 slices. I'm making it for 4, and if you need to make for more people or less, you can maybe take it in a 2:1 ratio. And I'm taking those 8 slices of bread and cutting them into cubes. Or if you feel a little lazy, you can also simply tear them. It's not a problem. Now that you're done with adding these bread pieces to the mixture, give it a nice stir. Mix everything well but gently so that the bread does not become mushy but looks nice coated with the masala cook. Now you can check the taste and adjust salt and spice if needed according to your taste. Our masala bread is incomplete without at least two slices of cheese. It is a must for the greatest flavor of the masala bread. Wow, such an extraordinary taste. You should definitely try it out at least once. And it just feels like heaven when I'm tasting it. There are so many names for this dish. One such name that my mom has for this dish is bread upma. Sure, I can guarantee you that it does not taste like upma, but of course, it is made in the same way upmas are made. But the taste is just wonderful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ambijit e-learning for more videos. Thank you.